Orec is not a single season company. They have products that'll accomplish all the goals and all the needs in all the seasons.
So I'm actually from New York City. And so when I first moved out to Michigan, the first zero turn that I actually tried out was a stand-on zero turn. And I loved it. And so when I saw the Snow Rhino, the first thing I thought was, this is really cool because it's going to give you that bird's eye view perspective where you can see with great detail what you're actually doing. You can see what you just covered and you can get those tight spaces and angles.
Another product that they have is a really neat machine. It's a brush rover. It's a 2-wheel, 4-wheel machine. Use it for brush cutting and cutting down saplings, and you can do slopes. You can do any rough terrain, hilly area.
So the Snowball actually is a great solution if you have sidewalks that you need to clear and you need to get through some pretty heavy snow. It's one of the benefits of the Snowball is that you're not throwing snow or pellets or rocks in any direction. It's actually way safer than using a traditional snowblower that's going to project those items towards windows, people, cars, other things. One of the benefits of the Trailblazer is that it can go wherever you need it to go. It can fit through doors, fit through gates, it can go on the back of a truck. There's no place that you can't go with it, and there's no place that you can't take it.
They have flail mowers that help cut down, really thick stuff and really give a good quality finish. They have tillers for during the early spring or the late fall.
We have a very select list of brands that we carry just because we've been very meticulous in weeding out only those brands that we think are high quality. We know that we're going to be able to provide this equipment, back it up with our service, and be very confident.
Orec has been around since 1948, and it's built on values that everybody loves and everybody trusts. When you have a good quality product and you have a good quality team and you have people that care about your product, they have great ideas and they're able to accomplish great things.